Um, this weekly budget was €90 for a family of four, two adults and two young children. I did a big shopping in Dunnes Store. I used two €10 off €40 vouchers. It was mine and my husband's voucher. We don't get those vouchers often. Usually we get €10 off €50, which is less discount. So my total was €80.80, but with those two vouchers I paid €60.08. At Dunnes Store, I mostly buy good quality meat for my family. I know that the food we consume has massive impact on our health. So, I try to make as nutritious meals as I can, always according to my budget. I also look what I have in cupboard that I could use before I go shopping. I always add up the prices while shopping. I do go just a few cents up to €1 over the required amount. That way I get the best value all the time. Let me give you an example. If I need to spend €40 to get €10 off, I would calculate my shopping to pay maximum €41. I am very aware of the prices difference in different store. Here is example. You can pay €4.29 for Lindt chocolate in Spar, or you can pay €2.75 for the same chocolate in Tesco. But you need to scan the club card to pay that price. Once my big shopping is done, I'll leave the rest of the budget for single top-ups. I do buy each item separately because I am with Permanent TSB Bank, and for each transaction I get 10 cents cash back. If I make 70 transactions per month, I get €7 cash back, and then my monthly bank fees are only €1. I know that sounds a lot, but it's 17 transactions per week. I often buy €3 waste box from Lidl, and I plan the meals around what's in the box. Those are really good value. I often get lots of potatoes and some fruits for kids. If there is more stuff, like carrots, I cut them up, wash, and freeze. Here are some of our dinners and meals. I didn't manage to record everything, but I just wanted to share my tricks with you guys. I think I did pretty well this time. Let me know what you think in comment section. Thanks for watching.